Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello judges. Hi everyone. We are from Pirate Team. On this special occasion, we would like to present our essay entitled The Involvement of Theobacillus ferroxidans bacteria in Metal Ore Bioleaching, Innovation in Modern Mining. But before that, let us introduce ourselves. Starting from me, my name is Ibnu Jafar Ma'ruf from Mining Engineering Department, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional, Veteran Yogyakarta.
Hello, I'm Yoktan Indra from Mining Engineering Department, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional, Veteran Yogyakarta.
Hello, I'm Elka from Mining Engineering Department, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta.
Halo, I'm Naila from Mining Engineering Department, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta.
Hello, I'm Yosi from Mining Engineering Department, Universitas Pembangunan Nasional Veteran Yogyakarta.
In 2021, the manufacturing sector recorded an investment of 325.4 trillion, surpassing the target projected by the Ministry of Industry, which ranged from 280 trillion rupiah to 290 trillion rupiah. This data represents a 90% increase compared to 2020's 272.9 trillion rupiah, contributing to significant industrial expansions. Increased industrial expansion increased the amount of waste generated from the manufacturing process, including solid, liquid, and gas. Large amounts of industrial waste accumulate in many countries and cannot be disposed of without special treatment first. Based on data released by Indonesian Central Bureau of Statistics (BPS) in 2021, the industrial sector in Indonesia produced approximately 20 million tons of waste per year. Meanwhile, in the United States, the Environmental Protection Agency (EPA) reports that industries generate around 7.6 billion tons of waste every year, which include both hazardous and non-hazardous waste. This data shows that with a proper treatment, industrial waste can pose environmental and health concerns for humanity. In particular, waste products from the mining and metal refining industries contain high concentrations of heavy metals. Therefore, they cannot be discharged into wastewater treatment plants and must be given specialized treatment to reduce their metal content. In accordance with SDGs Point 6, namely access to clean water and sanitation, which has relevance to high concentration of metal waste, namely water pollutions. Improper waste management leads to contamination of ground and surface water, potentially threatening the availability of clean water for human consumptions. Wastes from the iron industry can contain various hazardous chemicals such as high concentration of metals. Some waste products that contain high concentration of metal include like copper, zinc, lead, chromium. Previous studies have successfully removed high concentrations of metals such as Pb, Cd, Cr, Ni contained in dust from electric and furnaces. An alternative chemical mechanism that is suitable for this problem is bioleaching. Two commonly used bacteria, Theobacillus ferroxidans and Theobacillus tioxidans, can significantly accelerate metal leaching rates, but Theobacillus ferroxidans is the most commonly used. The discussion is about the importance of the application of bacteria, especially Theobacillus ferroxidans, in the bioleaching process from various aspects in the modern mining era. The use of Theobacillus ferroxidans in the bioleaching process is an important and necessary approach in the modern mining industry.
What is bioleaching? Bioleaching is a mechanism for extracting metal from ores using microorganisms such as bacteria. Bioleaching is a process to release or extract metal from mineral or sediment with the help of living organisms, or to convert insoluble sulfide minerals into water-soluble forms by utilizing microorganisms. Search from Brandel 2001.
Now, I'm going to explain about the purpose of our essay. The purpose is discuss about the importance of the application of Theobacillus ferroxidans in the bioleaching process from various aspects in the modern mining era. It is crucial in the mining industry due to its ability to oxidize reduced sulfur compounds, generating sulfuric acid and solubilizing metals. This process is particularly important for the recovery of metals from silver ores, which are prevalent in many mining operations. Here are some key aspects of its importance. Bioleaching with thiobacillus peroxidans is not only highly effective in oxidizing iron, but also reduces operational costs and energy use when compared to alternative processes such as roasting or chemical treatment, which are more expensive and require hazardous chemicals. The use of this bacteria results in less and more manageable waste and supports greener mining practices by reducing greenhouse gas emissions, pollution risk, and groundwater pollution in line with the SDGs. Overall, the application of thiobacillus peroxidans in bioleaching is essential for the efficient and environmentally friendly recovery of metals from silver ores, making it a vital component in modern mining practices.
Next, I will tell you about the method of bioleaching. We consume an increasing amount of mineral in everyday life, but mineral research are not inaccessible. When we extract metals from underground deposit, many are left behind as the remaining elements are not valuable enough to extract. This is known as mineral processing waste. To extract valuable metals from mineral processing waste, scientists began to study a natural phenomenon that is bioleaching. Mineral processing waste contains a minerals, but also leaving a bacteria. First step is crushing mineral waste into a powder and plunged into a bioreactor, a large and continuously stirred tank with water and nutrients. In this environment, we can thrive and multiply exponentially. The result is a solution that contains the metal originally contained in the mining waste. Then all that's left to do is chemical filter the solution to retrieve the metals in solid form. Microorganisms oxidize insoluble metal sulfide compounds into soluble forms. Microbes can absorb metal ions onto their cell surface, facilitating the deposition of these ions. This process also has the benefit of keeping the sulfuric acid we produce within the lab or factory. Otherwise, it may leach into the soil. The bioleaching process has moved beyond research and is now applied in the field. The use of Thiobacillus peroxidans in bioleaching presents a tremendous impact to the mining industry. These bacteria oxidize sulfide minerals such as pyrite, converting them into water-soluble forms such as iron, ions, and sulfate. This ability enables efficient extraction of valuable metals such as copper, gold, and uranium from ores that were previously difficult to access or uneconomical with traditional metals. Bioleaching using Thiobacillus peroxidans is also renowned for enhancing metal recovery rates better than conventional chemical technique, making it a superior choice for overcoming complex mineral extraction challenges in industry. In addition, a byproduct of bioleaching using Thiobacillus peroxidans is natural sulfate, which can often be recycled or utilized in other industrial applications such as fertilizer or chemical production. This approach confirms the crucial role of Thiobacillus peroxidans in driving the evolution of more sustainable and economical mining process in the modern era.
So here's the impact using Thiobacillus peroxidans in bioleaching. Firstly, Thiobacillus peroxidans offering remarkable efficiency and sustainability in metal extraction. This bacterium excels in oxidizing iron, a critical step in liberating valuable metals from their ores. Its unparalleled effectiveness lies in its ability to accelerate the oxidation process, significantly enhancing metal recovery rates. Secondly, compared to traditional methods, using Thiobacillus peroxidans is notably cost-effective. Conventional techniques often require substantial financial investments in chemicals and energy, whereas this bacterium operates naturally, reducing overall operational expenses. Thirdly, waste management becomes more manageable with Thiobacillus peroxidans. the bacterium's biological activity ensures that waste material are less toxic and easier to handle, thereby simplifying waste disposal and treatment procedures. Last but not least, traditional leaching methods can have detrimental effect on the environment, including soil and water pollution. In contrast, this bacterium operates under mild condition and produce fewer pollutants, aligning with sustainable mining practices and reducing the environmental footprint.
Thiobacillus ferrocidan emerges as a crucial ally in the modern mining industry through its application in bioleaching process. By efficiently oxidizing sulfide mineral and converting them into soluble form. This bacterium facilitates the extraction of valuable metals like copper, gold, and uranium from ores that were previously inaccessible using conventional methods. Not only does bioleaching with Thiobacillus ferrocidan enhance metal recovery rates and reduce operational costs, but it also promotes sustainable mining practice by minimizing reliance on hazardous chemical and reducing environmental impact. As industry worldwide strive for greener and more efficient extraction methods, Thiobacillus ferrocidan stands out as a cornerstone in the evolution towards a more sustainable and economically viable mining future.